guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Adina Alexis and you're watching In the Kitchen Whipping with Adina Alexis. Bonjour, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Je m'appelle Adina Alexis. And today we're going to be in the kitchen whipping up something sweet for y'all. Today we're cooking salted caramel cheesecake crumble. Salted caramel crumble cheesecake. One of those names. It's one of those.
Hey guys, let's go ahead and get into it. Right now I'm mixing 1/3 cup of butter, softened butter, and 1/3 cup of brown sugar. This is going to be the base of the cheesecake. The recipe does call for walnuts or any kind of nuts. I didn't use any because my family does not like nuts, and most likely we didn't have none. But I'm going to gradually add 1 cup of AP flour, and I'm just mix it till it's smooth all together. I did tweak this recipe a lot. It's actually not like your regular cheesecakes. I know most cheesecake calls for a graham cracker crust, but that's not the case today. But yeah, I'm just mixing this till smooth, getting it all, the flour mixed in, everything smooth. Like I said, you can add nuts if you want to each his own. But yeah. Right now I'm grabbing some butter and I'm going to butter down my springform pan. This is Aisha's Curry springform pan, and so far so good. I love it. I think this was my first time using it. It was a gift to me. I think you can get it on her website. Don't know what it's called, but Google it. But yeah, I'm smoothing it all around the bottom. If you need more, make more. What I was making and how much I was making for this recipe was just enough. But I know some people like a thicker crust. But yeah, I had already beaten my pack of cream cheese. I use 1 pack of Philadelphia cream cheese, and I just add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar until smooth, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, and 1 large beaten egg, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I did a teaspoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Drop some seeds in there. You know, we can't have nobody choking. Can't have nobody choking. Anyways, and I'm just gonna mix till smooth. Make sure you get all the lumps and clumps out of there. This is just really your basic cream cheese batter. So right now, yeah, I'm just taking the batter and laying it over the bottom layer of the cheesecake, and I'm just gonna smooth it out. Just smooth it out real good. Make sure no lumps or clumps in there, and just yeah. Yeah, I had already went and mixed some of this. What I did is I took 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 1 cup of AP flour, and 1/3 cup of softened butter. And this is gonna be the crumble on top of the cheesecake. Now this is your regular crumble that you'll put on top of apple pie. I mean, without the cinnamon, I guess, or nutmeg. But yeah, I'm just mixing that until it's get nice and crumbles start to form. But yeah, if your batter, these crumbles do get a little moist because of the butter. If you need more flour, don't be too scared to add. And I'm just sprinkling it on top of the cheesecake. Make sure you want to get it everywhere, all the spots to cover it, so every little bite can have a crumble on top. Yes, and we're gonna bake this at 350 for 20 minutes. Yeah, voila. Whoop, it is. And I did make my caramel sauce off camera right there. I didn't notice until now that my camera has shifted. But anyways, yeah, I made my caramel sauce off of camera. If you want to know my recipe for my caramel sauce, I will be gladly to show you. Comment if you want to see that homemade salted caramel sauce. But yeah, I'm just drizzling it over it, and that's pretty much it. This actually was really good. They really ate it in like 20 minutes, I'll say. It was all gone. Just a little something, little something. Right now I'm just cleaning it up, and I'm probably finna slice it. I'm trying to get better with my quality of my videos. This really doesn't justify how good that looked in person. Right now I'm just cutting a slice, and I'm gonna drizzle some caramel sauce just for the fun. See, the lightning does not justify it all.
Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. And there it is. What's up, y'all? Yeah. First of all, I want to point out that I did that voiceover when I was sleepy, so I didn't know I sounded like that. But it's okay, because it got done. Hey. Anyways, and yeah, that's the caramel cheesecake crumble. Salted caramel cheesecake crumble. Like I said, y'all know. Y'all see the title. Y'all know what it is. Anyways, what's up? How y'all doing? Y'all let me know something. Shout out to the people that viewed my last video. Shout out to y'all. Y'all some real ones. Anyways, I don't even know what I was supposed to talk about today. I wrote it down, but I can't find my paper. Anyways, what's up? Give me a minute and I'll figure it out. Yeah, this short little video. I don't know what to say. Short little video, not much, nothing too crazy. Let me look at my paper. I was supposed to say something else. Oh yeah. Stay tuned for this week's videos. I'm doing a get ready with me as I go to my best friend's baby shower on Saturday. Stay tuned for that. And February 1st, all I can tell you is stay tuned. To the people in the surrounding cities, stay tuned. If you know, you know. Coming soon. Valentine's Day is coming up. Something big coming soon. Stay tuned. But yeah, I guess I should talk about the cheesecake. Should I? I mean, the recipe. I'm gonna put the recipe in the description and the ingredients. Hopefully, if I remember, who knows. But anyways, what was I supposed to talk about? Yeah, I just wanted to. I mean, the cheesecake was good, obviously. I mean, I recommend that y'all make it. It's one of the best cheesecakes I've made. It's actually my very first time making it. Actually, I had the recipe. I mean, I make regular cheesecakes, but that type of cheesecake was my first time, and I always make my own salted caramel. Like I said, if you want the recipe to my salted caramel, want me to do a video on it, I'll do it. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. Light still hitting good, no makeup on, hair nappy, but we're good. Anyways, yeah, I guess I'm gonna close out this video. And I was supposed to do this last week with the last video, but I did not. And I want to start doing it because I'm all about shining light and spreading positivity. And I'm gonna do quote of the day. Quote of the day. Quote of the day is, you cannot have a positive life with a negative mind. And what that means is being positive, speaking positive, living positive, acting positive, dreaming positive, just everything positive. Life's too short to live in a negative mind. Be positive, stay positive, live positive. Alright, y'all. Peace. Hey you, yeah you. You can't see me, but I can see you. Like, comment, and subscribe right now.